welcome back to another channel, not another channel but another video. So this is the next exercise for basic measures, so you can go and download by clicking here. You can download the file, so I have already downloaded the file, so I will open the file. So in this file we have this table where we have region, area, electrodes, valid, vote, remain, leaves. So let's find out what we need to find. So first of all, we will create a table where we will create a DAX where it will show us average of remaining. So first I will put the area in this chart, and then I will create a measure. So remaining would be like average remain is equal to, we will take sum of remains, whatever is remaining, and then we will divide it by electrodes, sum of electrodes, electrode, and press enter, and we will take this measure here and we will convert it into percentage, and let's see, we have this. So the numbers I'm not confirmed, but let's confirm first. So we will sort this by descending order, and the first number is 80.11. I will just drag this here. That's Gibraltar 80.11, then Richmond upon Thames 56.65. So yeah, we are having accurate values here. Now we need to create one more measure, which is called as total leaves surplus. So for that, what's the condition? Let's see. Although it was fifth of the highest, use SUMX function to sum the expression x minus y, the voting table. X is equal to number of leaves vote, and y is equal to number of remaining vote. So we will name this measure as total leave surplus. And it's already mentioned that we will use SUMX, where we will take voting and we will use SUMX, some expression x minus y over the voting table, where x is equal to number of leaves. So we will take leaves, okay, and then we will minus it by the number of remaining votes. We will click enter, and now we will put this here. Now let's check it out if we are getting accurate values or not. So yep, so let's say we will sort this by this or this, yep, by ascending. So city of Edinburgh minus 123298 and 54.26. Yep, we are getting the accurate value. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.